How to buy horse token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 8 hours ago and it increased by 4000% in the last 24 hours. This token trends in number 14 in the base section. To be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address and open your funds wallet for that. Open the Bitkit wallet. Now go to your wallet and select the base as a network. Click on this plus icon and paste the token address here. Click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find your token that you just added. That's called horse. So after you find it, click on it. Now here click on swap, switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDC, and make sure that you have enough USDC on your wallet. Now here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. Now after that, click on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy a horse token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.